So hello dear students. In this short video, I'm going to focus on mechanical XE syllabus that is being changed this year for GATE 2027. So I'm 𝐂𝐨𝐻𝐿 𝐶. So why does the syllabus update matter? A syllabus change can change your strategy because quite possible the syllabus that is added may not have you have not studied that syllabus. Okay, na? So your regular course you may have to change little bit. I'm going to discuss some of the principle here in this short video. Removed topics can save your valuable preparation time, but specifically for mechanical and XE, not much syllabus is removed. So hardly 1 or 2 days strategy will change in that case because that not much syllabus is changed. Old study material may not cover the latest requirement. That is true because especially in mechanical, there are subjects that are totally disconnected from the old syllabus. So you may have to update it. At PW, whatever we are teaching for Parakram and Shreshth batches, all the teachers, they have updated their questions and also the material depending upon the change in the syllabus. I have done it for lean manufacturing. New topics may create new scoring opportunities. That is also possible because previously in 2016, there was a major syllabus change. And whatever change was there, very, very easy questions were asked. So it's a great opportunity. And all the PW teachers are basically taking care of the new syllabus that is being modified. Modified topics may require updated concept. That's true. Wrong syllabus, wrong preparation, very high risk. Okay. So now, old syllabus. We have to see previous topics, earlier topics structure, old subject average, previous study plan. Now, new syllabus, newly added topics, modified topic structure, updated subject coverage, new preparation priorities. Don't just download the syllabus, decode every change, because some subjects you may be very strong. Like some students they are good in the theoretical subject, some are good in numerical. Okay, and the syllabus change, especially if you see the mechanical, mathematics, there are some changes like Cauchy integral theorem they have added. Okay, na? Single and multiple step methods for ordinary differential equations, they have added on that one. Now, if you see the fluid mechanics and the applied mechanics and design part in mechanical, there are little bit changes here and there. Okay, na? Vibration and theory of machine, they have changed a little bit. Some of 1 or 2 topics they have added. So machine design also, they have belt drives and belt drives as it added actually. So principles and design, they have added this syllabus. As far as production and industrial is concerned, my dear students, additive manufacturing now is elaborate. CAD/CAM is now elaborate. Previously, whenever we used to say CAD/CAM and automation, we used to focus on NC/CNC, programming by G&M codes. But now they have explicitly mentioned many of the subtopics. So now there is the addition of around 10 hours of study in especially automation. They have added work study, quality control, value engineering, and all these things, quality control. 2016 they removed it, but now again they have added it. So anyway, we are teaching for engineering services, but here they have added the lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a completely new subject. We have not taught anywhere. But this year we have incorporated. In one of the recent industrial batch, I have taken 2 complete lectures on the lean manufacturing. We have finished. And I have told my team to upload those lectures in all the previous batches and including Khajana. So because PW approaches, basically, we want to help a student as much as we can. So even the previous student, everybody will get the updated syllabus. So that changes we may have to plan. So added, removed, and modified. Like in mechanical, there are many topics that are modified, especially the design, fluid mechanics, and thermal. They have slightly modified. Technically, they have not added any topic. But yes, industrial production and material science, they have added. For example, polymer, ceramic, composite. But most of the topics that are added in production industrial, they were common for engineering services. But lean manufacturing is a completely added subject. But in especially thermal and the design part, primarily the topics are modified. In production also, additive manufacturing slightly modified to basically wide coverage of the syllabus of. But in this, what I personally feel in production industrial, whatever is the added and modified syllabus, you have to specifically focus more. Questions will be easy and they are not difficult topics. So please be careful in that. Now, as far as XE is concerned, now they have material science. They have added some more syllabus. It was anyway very complicated subject even before. Now, especially for the electronic material, they have added extensive material in that, and then processing of polymer. That are and material science, they have added a lot of syllabus. So I will not recommend for XE taking material science as a subject, but for XED and XEE we should take it. That there is not much syllabus change in that. Like if you see the XED, whatever syllabus they have modified, basically similar syllabus is there in the XED. So you don't have to prepare separately anything. Now, next is your smart action plan. Download, compare, highlight, and prepare. But my dear students, PW teachers, they have done everything for you. If you are enrolled in one of our batches, you don't have to do anything. You just have to follow the teachers. But suppose you are not part of PW family, then download the latest official syllabus, compare with the previous syllabus, mark all added, removed, and modified topics, update your notes and preparation schedule. But once again, if you are one of our students, you don't have to do these things. Teachers are doing for you. We are giving questions also based on whatever IIT professors ask in their respective classes. For example, in lean manufacturing, I have taken the IIT professors' notes, taught them some of the questions I have taken, and we are going to give you in the test series those questions. So teachers will do this thing for you. Anyway, what about PYQs? Now, whatever subjects they have removed, we don't have to see their PYQs. Subjects that are added, because this paper will be set by IIT professors. It's not basically IIT Chennai is doing, but not only IIT Chennai, most of the IIT, there will be a team, they will be setting the papers. So, especially for PW teachers team, what they have done, that they have taken some of their notes, some of the IIT professor notes to compile the material and the questions. So newly added topics, we will give you the questions. Very, very beautiful design questions. So you can please update with us. Now, winning strategy is syllabus mapping, number 1. Number 2, concept building, especially the new topics, newly added topics, you have to build the concept. Phase 3, practice plus PYQ. PYQs for the topics that are not removed, plus practice the question that we are going to give you. Or if you are not a PW part of family, but still I will request you, please enroll for the test series, because in the test series, we are going to give all the questions, very, very good questions related to the newly added topics. At least the test series, you should be a part of it. I am not telling because we want your benefit. It's very cheap, all of you know very well. So, but we want your benefit. Doesn't mean that we want to earn some money on all that. Revision and mock tests. Mock tests are very, very important, especially for the newly added topics. So now this is the Independence Day offer, up to 50% off, 46% off. You can connect me on my Telegram channel. It's a PW Telegram channel, and every Sunday 5 p.m. I am live here. But there are other respective channels also you can join. That's it. And if you any support, all the teachers are ready to help you. Wish you all the best.